All right, guys, welcome back to Blood, Sweat, and Tires. We are at the best track in America right here. That might be opinionated, I might be a little biased, but this place is my favorite place to be in the world, okay? Like, I dream about this place every day. I'm so happy to be back. The kids are in the background having fun. We're so excited for this weekend. The best track in the world is the one that makes you feel the best, okay? This track is my favorite, and I think it's the best in the world because it's family oriented. The owners of this track feel like best friends to me. This place is amazing. So if you've never heard of Cam Maker's racing site in Coalgate, Oklahoma, this is your time to do your research and come out to this amazing track, okay? It's dad and son built here in Coalgate. Their home is right next to the track, and I mean, how much better can it be, okay? You're camping out with your friends and family. Best place in the world to be. So come out to Coalgate, Oklahoma, watch the rest of this video. Thanks for joining us at Blood, Sweat, and Tires. All right, so I found this track. I started drifting in 2022, at the end of 22. I came one time to this event, and then that got me hooked. So their first event in March of 2023, I had my Wise Fab, I had my big angle kit, and I started coming every event they had, almost monthly. So I'm hooked on this track. So this is my third year. This is 2025. So it's my third year coming. Hopefully next year I can make it to more events. This is my first event this year. But hopefully next year I'll be able to do some more. Hopefully we'll get an interview with Cam in this video. You can get to meet the owner of the track. He's sick. So this place is awesome. We'll show you some more clips of it in a second. Well, I think it's some more track shots for you too. This is kind of a B-roll. I'll probably just get out of the way so you can see a B-roll really of the track, but this place is awesome. We'll show you the culvert too, which is probably the sketchiest part of the track. It's probably the most adrenaline rush. Is the culvert. This is what I want to be at 24 hours a day. Okay, I want to eat, sleep, breathe this track. Trust me. I love this place. So out of Cam Maker's racing site, this right here is probably the sketchiest part of the track to me. Got a culvert on each side of the track. I've seen some, it's a drop off right here, okay? You come off this track, something's probably gonna break. I've seen cars like a freaking bridge over this culvert right here. So that's a good 1.5 foot drop on this side. Probably another good 1.5 foot drop on this side. And don't mess up, I'll tell you that right now. Don't mess up. I've gotten close a couple times, but I've seen a car just spread across this, and yeah, I think they kept ripping though, so they were all right. Yeah, this is probably the sketchiest part of this track, but you know it's a tree corner. So when you're out here, watch out for the tree. But yeah. So this is the bank of Cam's, probably the fastest corner on this track right here. Is just after the straightaway, and I've hit this in my car about 50 miles an hour or so, but I've seen people go 60, 65 in their cars, which is pretty insane. A decent little runoff. I wouldn't say it's perfect. There's no perfect runoff, but if you're gonna run off, this is the place to run off to. It's a lot smoother. It's not crazy, and this is the bank. This is the bank turn on this track, and it's a fun one. Good turn. All right, guys, so some time has passed. You might hear some cars in the background. I haven't talked to you guys since the track has gone live. So the track is hot. People are ripping. They're having fun. We had an issue with the water pump on our second lap out. Blew apart. Insert clip here. I smoked my buddy out in the Mustang right behind us. So we pulled it apart. The rear part of the water pump separated. So that was really weird. We actually pulled it apart. We're gonna call we called O'Reilly's. No O'Reilly's around here has one. We have one ordered. Should be here right about now. But we took sealant and pushed the cap back on it. So right now we're 10 laps in or so. No issue so far. just put on a set of tires. It's been all day. We just now swapped a pair of tires, so we're gonna get back out there and rip some more. So continue watching. Here we go.
Dude, that was so fucking close.
That was sick.
So close, dude.
Good morning, everyone. Day 2 of the private event. Got the car warmed up. Everybody's awake, kind of slowly taking down the tents and stuff. About to go on track. Hopefully the car's good. It should be warmed up by now. It's definitely getting there. So yeah, you can see my hair is crazy. Dawn put these braids in for me, and yeah, they're kind of coming out, but it fits my helmet really good. So I might look crazy in the videos today, but that's all right. Yeah, get all the Miatas on track right now. It's ripping. See if we get a shot right now. Hoping it's a little slick today. I'll save on some tires. Maybe go home with a couple. That'd be cool. Let's get it. All right, guys, a lot of things have changed. I keep clapping. I have a mic on me. Like, it's really loud right there. Anyway, a lot of things have changed. The track is empty now. So we were the first people to pull into the parking lot for this event. By darn it, we're gonna be the last person. I clapped again. But we're super excited. I got another set of tires, brand new set of tires. I still need to get mounted if we burn through these. It's been a really good event right now. Like, this place is literally my dream. Like, I would love to be here every day, every second, and just burning tires. Hopefully we can get more content. I was gonna do a new content series called Tandem Talk, but with the car messing up, having the water pump issue, having to work on it, and just when you're at the track, things go so fast. So next time we come out to the track, we'll get some videos and interviews of people. But this place is awesome. If you've never heard of Cam Akers Racing Site, you got to come out to Coalgate, Oklahoma. The owner of the track, Cam, is really sick. He's a really cool guy, and just us now. He said we can just close it down, stay as long as we want. We got our campsite all cleaned up, and we're gonna go back out here and rip some more. But thank you guys so much for watching Blood, Sweat, and Tires. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm really hoping to do a lot more of this content for you guys, and hopefully my car doesn't break down next time so I can stay on the camera a little more. And my cameraman, Jameson, is now a drifter, so he's kind of on his own thing. I had to hire a new camera guy. So thanks, Jason, for being the camera guy for this time. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you later.